Welcome to a rather wet and dingy January 27th, I think it is today. Yeah, 27th. So join me in my garage. As you can see, obviously from the previous video, there's no car in here anymore as the racing's been sold. But today being Saturday, it's actually new car day. So I was going to leave it a little while before getting something new, but as the week went on from selling the racing before they picked it up, my search intensified again, and I'd actually placed the order minus the deposit for the replacement before the racing was actually picked up and paid for. So didn't take long for that. So we're going to head off to the dealer to go and pick it up in about an hour's time. So it's about 2 hours later now. I've got the car sorted. It took a little bit longer than expected. They were very busy and overshot my appointment by a little bit, but not too bad in the end of the day. So now I can finally reveal on this very wet and cold, windy day, unfortunately the audio probably wasn't great on this, my new weekend car. It will come as a surprise to some people, but to others it won't. So here it is. My 2017 Audi S1. So here's the car in a little more detail. So I was hunting around to try and find a replacement sort of hot hatch, and never found something I particularly liked, and always thought another Audi is going to be way out of the budget. But this car here on a 17 plate would actually cost me less than what I've lost in depreciation on the DS3 Racing. So it's a no-brainer. So it's a 230 brake horsepower, 2-litre petrol, quattro all-wheel drive. This car finished in the awesome pearl Sepang blue. Unfortunately, in this very grey day that we have today, doesn't come out on camera that well. Standard silver alloy wheels, which I find with the silver mirrors and the silver grey front grille actually suits it quite nicely. It's very what I always saw in the 2000s as the Audi Sport spec. Sepang blue or a dark pearl blue, silver wheels, silver mirrors and silver grille. So this car has the xenon headlights at the front with the LED strip around them. That's the silver grille. Standard silver wheels. This is a 3-door. I have the design pack, which gives me tinted windows and also the tilt and raise sunroof at the top. Coming around to the rear, we've got Audi's signature S car quad exhaust, same as my S3. I'm going to have a quick scan of the interior. There you go. So I've got the S1 wheel, standard circle one, which in this car I think I'm going to prefer. I always have like the flat bottom, but we'll see how this goes. And then the standard seats. But I've got tech pack, I've got the design pack I mentioned, and there's a comfort pack as well, which gives you things like the high beam assist and a few other features. But yes, that's my new weekend car. I'm hoping I'm going to use this one a little bit more than I use the racing. Being not convertible and not special paint, hopefully that will help matters, even though it is quite a special pearl paint. But yeah, pick the car up. Now I've got an hour's drive to go and see some family, and then an hour's drive back home this evening, so it'll be a good time to get used to it, and hopefully next weekend we'll get out and do a more in-depth video on this car. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel